Hi everyone, good day. So for today's video, we're going to talk about function notation. Okay, so an equation that is a function may be expressed using the function notation. So the notation fx, so this is read as f of x represent the variable y. So yung f of x, it is equal to y, or this represents the variable y. So for example, we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 6. So this is the name of the function f of x. So dito sa f, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng ibang letters. Pwedeng g, h, or kahit anong letters. Pero ang mas madalas na ginagamit natin is f of x, or yung letter f para dito. Next. So this is the input or the domain. So yung x dito, siya yung input. So ito yung ating papalitan mamaya ng mga variables. So yung x. And this is the output or range. So yung output, nakadepende doon sa ating input ng or dito sa domain. Okay, so for example, so we're going to find the value of the function. So given f of x is equal to 2x plus 6. So we're going to find f of 3 and f of 1. So solution for f of 3. So this is our equation or function. F of x is equal to 2x plus y. So yung lahat ng variable x, papalitan natin ng value na 3. Kasi x is equal to 3. So magiging siyang f of 3 is equal to 2 times 3 plus x. So kung ilan yung x dito na nakalagay, so yung lahat ng x, papalitan natin siya lahat ng 3. So f of x is equal to 3 plus 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then, f of 3 is equal to 12. Next, solution for f of 1. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 6. Again, we're going to substitute the value of x. So ang value ng x is equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 plus x. So f of 1 is equal to 2 plus 6. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 8. So dito, ang domain natin is 1, ang range is 8. Dito naman sa una, if f is equal to 3, so yung 3, yung ating input or domain, then yung 12, siya yung range or output. Next, given f of x is equal to 4x plus 8, we're going to find f of 2, f of a plus 1, and f of negative 4. Okay, so solution for f of 2. So we have the function f of x is equal to 4x plus 8. Again, we're going to substitute the value of x, which is 2. So f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 plus x, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 8. So f of 2 is equal to 8 plus 8. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 16. Next, f of a plus 1. So, yung x, papalitan natin siya ng a plus 1. So, f of x is equal to 4x plus 8. So, f of a plus 1 is equal to 4 times a plus 1 plus 8. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we're going to use the distributive property of equality. So, multiply natin siya 4 times a and 4 times 1. So, f of a plus 1 is equal to 4a. So, saan ulit nanggaling yung 4a dito? Minultiply natin siya. 4 times a. Then, yung 4 galing din dito. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 8. Okay, so now we're going to simplify. So, f of a plus 1 is equal to 4a plus 12. So, ang pwede lang nating i-add dito is yung 4 and a kasi wala siyang kasamang variable. Hindi natin ito pwedeng i-add sa 4a kasi meron siyang kasamang variable. So, this is our answer. So, f of a plus 1 is equal to 4a plus 12. Next, we have f of negative 4. So, f of x is equal to 4x plus 8. So, again, yung value ng x is negative 4. We're going to substitute dun sa mga x sa ating function. So, function of negative 4 or f of negative 4 is equal to 4 times negative 4 plus 8. So, f of negative 4 is equal to negative 16. So, bakit po ito naging negative 16? 4 is positive, then nagmultiply tayo sa negative 4. So, dahil magkaiba, yung kanyang sign, isang positive, isang negative, pag i-multiply natin siya, ang magiging answer natin is negative. Then, f of negative 4 is equal to negative 8. So, bakit siya naging negative 8? So, negative 16 plus 8. Since magkaiba yung kanyang sign, kahit siya ay addition, isusubtract natin siya based sa rule ng integers. So, doon, kapag magkaiba yung sign at i-add natin siya, so, kailangan natin siyang isubtract. So, negative 16 plus 8 is equal to negative 4. So, isa pa, we're going to take the sign of the larger number. So, ang larger number is yung 16. So, siya ay negative, kaya yung answer natin is negative 8. Next, we have g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So, we're going to find g of negative 3. So, g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So, ang value ng x natin is negative 3. So, substitute dun sa variable x. So, we have g of negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 3 minus 1. So, negative 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 minus 1. So, ito naman, pareho yung sign. So, negative 6 and negative 1. So, dahil pareho siyang negative, we're going to add. Kaya siya ay magiging negative 7. So, therefore, g of negative 3 is equal to negative 7. Next, given g of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 12. So, we're going to find g of negative 2. So, g of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, isubstitute natin yung negative 2 doon sa lahat ng variable x. So, magiging po siyang g of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 o quantity negative 2 cube plus 2 quantity negative 2 square plus 3 times negative 2 minus 12. Okay, so evaluate natin yung may mga exponent. So, negative 2 cube. So, kailangan nating i-multiply ng 3 beses yung negative 2. So, bakit 3 beses? Kasi ang exponent niya po ay ang exponent niya is 3. Okay, so we're going to multiply negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Kaya po ito ay naging negative 8. Then, negative 2 times negative 2. So, dalawang beses lang kasi ang exponent niya is 2. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Times natin yung 2. So, 4 times 2 is positive 8. Next, 3 times negative 2. So, dahil ulit magkaiba siya ng sign, ang magiging answer natin is negative, kaya po ito ay negative 6 minus 12. Okay, next. So, g of negative 2 is equal to negative 18. Paano siya naging negative 18? So, dito, negative 8 plus 8. So, dahil siya ay magkaiba ng sign, kailangan natin siyang isubtract. So, pwede na natin siyang i-cancel kasi yan ay magiging 0 ang sagot. Then, we have negative 6 minus 12. So, negative 6 minus 12 is equal to negative 18. Pareho siya ng sign. Kaya, i-add natin siya. So, therefore, g of negative 2 is equal to negative 18. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck, God bless, and happy learning!